Corissa Daines, Easy Button Employee Relations, coming back to you to dig into a little bit about the three silos, I guess I'll call them, that the Fair Labor Standards Act actually puts employees into to try to determine if their position is in fact something that is a salaried position and then therefore not required to do overtime for over 40 hours. And so we're going to talk a little bit about an executive position today. And then next week I'll do a video on the professional, and then we'll do one on the administration or the administrative, which is probably the most confusing one in my opinion. So the executive, some of the criteria that you have to meet for that is, of course, the salary that we talked about in my first video, but this is now part 3 of this. And it is also the management of 2 or more employees as their primary duty. And this has to be 2 FTEs. So this has to be 2 full-time equivalent employees that you are supervising in this executive position. And there is a lot of weight that this person should be pulling as far as personnel decisions go. So they might not be the one making the ultimate decision on something with an employee, but they have a lot of pull in that decision, and they're able to express their opinion, and it is considered pretty heavily. So the executive is pretty straightforward for the most part. Those are kind of the few things that you really want to look out for is, primary management of at least 2 FTE. And then particular weight in personnel situations, those being the primary duties of the job.